I am Sude Aytekin. I'm a junior and I'm a business and technology major, concentrating in management and computer science, and I'm from Istanbul, Turkey. Being selected for 25 under 25 was a little bit surprising to me, and it made me feel very proud actually, because I'm an international, I'm a transfer, I'm a commuter, so it felt like I belong here and I'm appreciated in a way. I think I'm a very versatile student. I do athletics, I do CS, I do business, I have a lot of extracurricular activities, so adding all these up, I think made it possible for me. I could count a lot of achievements from tennis, from other coursework, but I want to talk about International Student Association. Next year I will be the president, and in the election we have elected a new group of people that are freshmen, sophomore, so I'm really excited, and I was really proud to see how excited they were.